In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to elevate landscape photography easily in Luminar 4. We'll keep things simple and effective so your landscapes look richer, more dynamic, and professional, without getting bogged down in complex adjustments. Start by correcting the light before you touch color. Open your image and balance exposure and tone. Pull the highlights down to recover detail in bright skies, especially if the clouds look washed out. Lift the shadows slightly to reveal texture in darker areas like trees, rocks, and foregrounds. Then use smart contrast to add depth without crushing details. Watch the histogram and keep an eye on the brightest and darkest areas. The goal is balance, not extremes. Getting this foundation right makes every creative enhancement that follows look better and more natural. Next, take advantage of Luminar 4's AI tools for instant improvements. The AI Enhance, also called AI Accent, intelligently adjusts exposure, contrast, tone, and color all at once. Slide it up slowly and stop when the image starts to pop without looking processed. Then add a touch of AI structure to enhance mid-tone detail in elements like grass, rocks, and clouds. Keep it gentle to avoid noise and crunchy textures. Small increments are usually enough. For landscape-specific polish, head to the Landscape Enhancer tools. Dehaze cuts through atmospheric haze and fog, restoring clarity and color depth across distant hills or city skylines. Golden Hour adds warmth and that soft, sunlit glow you'd expect at sunrise or sunset, even if you didn't shoot at that time. Foliage Enhancer boosts greens and earthy tones so trees and grass look more vibrant. Stay subtle here. Around 10 to 30% typically feels realistic. When it's time to refine color, skip a global saturation boost and use HSL for precision. Adjust hue to shift specific colors, like nudging sky blues warmer or pushing greens deeper. Use saturation to enhance only the colors that matter, often blues and greens in landscapes, while leaving other tones untouched. Luminance lets you brighten or darken individual color channels to add depth and contrast without flattening the image. To add mood and guide the viewer's eye, apply a soft glow. It creates a gentle atmospheric effect, especially flattering for sunrise and sunset scenes. Follow with a subtle vignette to darken the corners and draw attention toward your subject. Set the vignette's center over the main focal point and feather it for a natural transition. If your sky is dull, consider AI sky replacement. Choose a sky that matches the scene, then use horizon blending and relight scene to ensure the new sky and the foreground lighting feel cohesive. With just a few thoughtful tweaks, your landscapes will look stunning and cohesive from edge to edge.